Hello, this is Hakimi. Today I have a Lego Safe Box. It's really cool. See this? You turn it to the left side and see this? You pull it out and it opens. And this thing is steering. This thing, see there's a small gear in here. It turns this. And then see there's a little hole in there. So you can see it from here. And then to close it, you just take this, put in the slot there, and then you turn it to the right, and then it's locked again. If you pull it high enough, if you pull it high enough, it won't come out, but you don't want this machine to be break. And I will give you a 360 view. If you want a tutorial of this, first give me subscribe. Rate, comment and subscribe. Bye.